In China, to ensure the power supply for residential needs, industrial power has to be cut off or used during off-peak hours. In the Yangtze River Basin, has the most Hello guys and welcome back to our video. What is the temperature in your city? It is a really crazy summer. In China, many cities have recorded unusual temperatures over 40 degrees. In Europe, America and Africa, drought are spreading and threatening not only nature but also the economy. In Sichuan and Chongqing, since August 8th, the highest temperatures has remained above 40 degrees. In Europe, the highest temperature in Paris reached 40.5 degrees Celsius. Temperature in Portugal and Spain reached 47 degrees. The extreme heat has directly influenced the harvest of agricultural commodities such as rubber, cotton, palm oil, and soybean. Meanwhile, the continuous heat wave and drought had led to a shortage of power and energy supply. In Europe, the drought in the Rhine has affected transportation of all products and the operation of the power plant. In China, to ensure the power supply for residential needs, the industrial power has to be cut off or used during off-peak hours. The Yangtze River Basin has the most abundant water in China, and in the summer is supposed to be the raining season, but now it's getting dry. Located in the Yangtze River neighboring the famous Three Gorges Dam, Sichuan province is seriously affected by the extreme heat wave. Since July, Sichuan has suffered from the heat and drought, and it leads to be a severe shortage of hydropower. The mineral resources like chromium, lithium, and polysilicon make Sichuan province so important and special, but some producers of high chromium in Sichuan have already experienced power cuts since July. Not until August 8 did the official notice of Sichuan local government announce power cut, and now it is prolonged to August 25. There are more than 4,600 enterprises included in the list. As a result, 70% of the high chromium output is reduced every day. Normally, the high chromium output in Sichuan is about 40,000 tons per month. In August, affected by the power shortage and the production suspension, the high chromium output might be reduced by 20,000 tons. Except for the Sichuan, the major mineral producing provinces like Hunan, Guizhou, Shanxi, and Inner Mongolia, more factories have to reduce and stop the producing. It is for sure that the low production will influence the future supply and the price. Not to mention, the chain reaction will happen broadly, and the commodity market is full of contradiction and volatile. However, there is a view that it won't affect the stainless steel industry that much. Maybe it is because currently the demand for the stainless steel is way too low. Anyway, maybe the heat can warm the sluggish stainless steel market, but it's absolutely burning me in life. That is all for today. If you want to read more about the stainless steel market in China, just go to our website. And thank you so much for watching us. Bye!